Hi guys and girls, today we're reading column graphs. Okay, so let's get started. Here you've got a column graph. Okay, with a graph where the little coloured bars go up the page. Okay, and the key aspect of reading column graph is first of all just looking at what the title's got to tell you. Okay, so the title for this one, which I'm highlighting in pink, is News Media People Trust Most. And that tells you what this is about. Okay, down the bottom of a column graph, you've got the categories or the scores, and up the side, you've got the number of people or the frequency for each score. And those two facts will help us read the column graph. Okay, so on top is the title, which tells us what it's about. On the bottom is the categories or scores, and to the side is the number of people who got that score. Okay, so let's get started on the questions. 1A asks us how many people trust in newspapers. Okay, so here's our newspaper, and if we look across, we can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that it's 2 up out of 5, so that's 4. Each of these little boxes is 2, and it's 2 up, so that's 4, so we've got 14. And I'm just reading across to the number of people from the newspapers, and I can see that's 14. Okay, the next question is which of the media do most people trust? How many people voted this way? Okay, so it's asking which is the biggest column and how many people are in it. Okay, so the biggest column is the TV, and we can see that just because it's huge. And then you've got 61 box less, so that would be 58 people that voted for that media. So we're just remembering that each of the little tiny boxes represents 2 people. So B is 58, and it's T. It would help if I wrote the letter T, not N, TV. Okay. Question C. What is the difference between the trust levels in newspapers and magazines? Okay, so for that, we've got to go back to our 14 people that trust newspapers, and our 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and our 8 people that trust magazines. Remember, each of those little boxes is 2, so there's 8 people that trust magazines. So 14 people that trust newspapers, take away 8 people that trust magazines, means there's 6 more people that trust the newspapers more than the magazines. Okay, so our answer is 6. Okay, what is the total of all the columns? Ooh. Okay, so D, what we're going to need to do is get a number for each column and add them together. That's what total is. Okay, so we've got 12 people for radio, 14 for newspapers, 8 for magazines, 58 for TV, and I don't know, got 8. Okay, so what we do is we add these up, move it into screen. Okay, so just to check, 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 50, clear, 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 58 plus 8 equals 100. Yeah, I thought that seemed a bit weird. Okay, so we're going to go with 100. 100 is the total of all those numbers. Must have made a mistake in adding the first time. So 100. Okay. Now, E is a special type of question. There's no real proper maths answer. Why do you think people trust TV more than any other media? This is more your thoughts. Okay, so my thoughts would be that more people watch TV. So more people would trust it. Okay? But your thoughts are up to you. Okay, so that's reading column graphs. Key thing is that, first of all, the title's on top. Secondly, the scores or the categories are on the bottom. And thirdly, the number of people that hit each category is to the side. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye, guys and girls.